Hey creators, welcome back to VideoTech Tools. Today we're diving into the best video editing tools and resources to enhance your skills and workflows. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's something here for you. Let's start with DaVinci Resolve, a professional-grade editing software used by Hollywood. It offers robust features for editing, color correction, and more. The best part, it has a free version with almost all features you need. Next is CapCut, a user-friendly mobile app perfect for quick edits and social media content. It offers multi-track editing, text overlays, filters, and more. Then we have Hedra, which uses AI to streamline your editing process. Hedra automatically edits your footage based on your style, saving you time while maintaining quality. For voiceovers, check out 11 Labs. It uses advanced AI to generate realistic and expressive speech, perfect for narrations and voice acting. Finally, Smart Short is great for creating engaging short-form content quickly. It's perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, with various templates and editing options. Now let's talk resources. Online courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare are invaluable. YouTube channels like Peter McKinnon and Film Riot offer excellent free tutorials. Don't forget community forums like Reddit and Facebook groups for insights and support from other creators. That's it. These tools and resources will help you create amazing content. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Comment below which tools you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.